Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a birdie gami or snaky gami, whatever people think. So this is the example. If it looks like a bird, then it's a birdie gami. If it looks like a snaky gami, then it's a snaky gami. You can decorate it with different colors. So the things you require for this is glue, scissors, and a marker. Any color marker, but black is most preferably. So first let's start. First you need to take a square sheet instead of a rectangle sheet. So you need to cut this rectangle sheet. So let's do that. So guys, I'm done with the cutting, and extra cutting in the sides you can do if you want to, like I'm doing. And for more craft videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, so this is a square sheet, or not appropriately square sheet, but it's fine. So you need to first tilt this paper like this. So in this one, you need to tilt it like it's a diamond, and then from down you need to fold it upwards like this. And while cutting there might be an extra paper over here or over here, so you can cut it off. And then you need to fold it from this side to across like this. Done. And now you need to fold it like this. Make sure you fold properly, then only this will work. And then do the same for the other side. Flip it, and then for the other side also do the same like this. So this will become like this, and then now you need to open the whole paper like this. It's a very short one. Yeah, so it will be like this. And then you need to again tilt it in the diamond position, and then this part you need to do it like this. Fold it. Do the same for the other part, and for this part like this. And now this part let's leave for now, and then you need to fold it from the back side like this. Just fold it, and then this side just pull it like this. Yep, done. But before doing that, you need to fetch your marker, draw the eyes. Do the same for the other side. And don't forget to hit the like button. And now you need to do it like this. And then this side of the portion you can stick it like this. Or you can, while you're doing this, fold like this side like this. Fold it like this. After again, and then fold it in the back side. So in this way, glue is also not needed. And DIY snaky or birdie gami is ready. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Please subscribe.